Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a side hustler, or just someone looking to boost that bank balance, we've got the strategies that can transform your online presence into a cash-churning phenomenon. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the world of limitless online earning possibilities. Number 1. Start affiliate marketing. It's a fantastic online income avenue that's open to everyone. With just a blow and some affiliate agreements, you can promote products from popular brands. Whenever your readers purchase through your links, you earn a commission. It's like recommending awesome stuff to your pals and getting rewarded for it. While it's not a swift path, affiliate marketing is perfect for bloggers, e-commerce enthusiasts, and SEO-savvy wordsmiths. Number 2. Build a dropshipping business. Imagine owning a store without worrying about inventory or shipping. That's dropshipping, a smart money-making venture. You team up with suppliers and promote their products under your brand. When customers buy, a fulfillment partner handles shipping, and you pocket a share of the profits. It's a golden opportunity, especially if you're new to e-commerce. While research and partnerships are key, dropshipping can become a fulfilling income stream and a cool side hustle. Number 3. Do freelance work. Embrace the freedom of freelance work. It's your gateway to extra income or even a new full-time adventure. Whether you're a graphic design guru or a wordsmith extraordinaire, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients hungry for your skills. Hustle is the name of the game, competing for gigs and gradually building your reputation from scratch. Start small, but with persistence, you can level up your earnings and create a thriving freelancing journey on your own clock. Number 4. Fill out online surveys. Turn your opinions into rewards by diving into online surveys on sites like SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks. These gems allow you to voice your thoughts on everything from products to current events, while earning small cash rewards or gift cards. Picture this: making money while you're browsing or chilling with your favorite TV show. While you won't strike it rich, it's a clever way to add to your wallet with minimal effort. Number 5. Work as a virtual assistant. Step into the shoes of a digital superhero, aka a virtual assistant. From scheduling to spreadsheet magic, you'll be the secret weapon CEOs and managers can't do without. No degree? No problem. You can start this online money-making journey quickly and gather clients while building a solid reputation. It might mean some on-call duties, but it's a fantastic option for steady part-time income. As you grow, so do your rates, and soon you'll be calling the shots. Number 6. Start a YouTube channel. Dive into the exciting world of YouTube and unleash your creativity. YouTube is a goldmine for aspiring creators and influencers aiming to pocket some online earnings. Crafting videos in your niche, be it education or entertainment, is a ticket to potential success. Your channel is your canvas. Paint it with your unique ideas. Just remember, the YouTube moolah starts rolling in when your views and subscribers soar. As those ad dollars flow in, your channel blooms. Join ad programs and watch your audience grow as you become the star of your brand. Blend YouTube with your online presence and let the cash flow. Number 7. Become a social media influencer. Ready to turn your love for online chatter into cash? Behold the realm of the social media influencer. Whether it's Instagram's snapshots, Twitch's streams, Facebook's posts, or TikTok's dances, the virtual world is your stage. Build an audience, then strut your stuff by showcasing products from brands you adore. You're the linchpin of digital marketing strategies. Opportunities abound. Just remember, climbing the influencer ladder takes time. Authentically connecting with your tribe and crafting your brand is the key. Don't expect instant riches, but this journey can be a rewarding side hustle in the long run. Number 8. Try online tutoring. Passionate about sharing your wisdom? Become an online tutor and light up the minds of eager learners on the web. No teaching degree needed. Specialize in subjects like English for non-native speakers, a red-hot demand. Flaunting a teaching degree? You'll score extra points and bucks. With each successful tutoring gig, your reputation blooms, and so do your rates. Flexibility is your ally, making online tutoring a fulfilling endeavor. As your name shines brighter, consider crafting your own website and online courses for that sweet extra income. Unleash your knowledge and let it rain rewards. Number 9. Run a podcast. Dive into the exciting world of podcasting. It's a fantastic online money-making avenue, especially if you've got a bunch of followers from your blogs or online ventures. Hosting your own podcast lets you chat with fascinating folks and share your expertise. By teaming up with brands, you can slip cool ads into your shows, just like radio. To rock this, gather a lively audience and watch those advertiser dollars roll in. Your podcast might even become a major income booster. Number 10. Start an online store. Ever dreamt of running your own online store and raking in the rewards? Now's the time to act. Creating an e-commerce haven takes work, but the potential payoffs are grand. Snag a killer business idea, gather startup funds, and set up shop with a user-friendly website. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and more are your buddies here. Spice up your marketing with a catchy domain name and AdSense magic. As the orders pour in and happy customers spread the word, that online store of yours could be your ticket to serious income. The internet isn't just a place for cat videos and memes, it's a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be seized. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.